Top 3 Hottest Chilies. At number 3 we have the Douglas chili, measuring 1,853,936 shoes. Shoes are a unit of heat when measured using the Scoville heat unit. The Douglas chili is also known as the chocolate 7-pod or the 7-pod Douglas. It is named this as it is said 1 pod could spice 7 pots of stew. It starts out as a green chili, but with maturity it turns brown or a shade of purple. The skin is covered with pimples. At number 2 we have the Trinidad Moruga Scorpion. The chili is native to Trinidad and Tobago. The Moruga Scorpion has been measured at 2 million shoes using the Scoville heat unit, making it the number 2 hottest as of 2019. And at number 1 is the fiercely fiery Carolina Reaper, measuring a staggering 2,200,000 shoes when measured using the Scoville heat unit. Originally named the HP22BNH7. The chili is cultivated by Ed Curry at Fort Mill, South Carolina, in the USA.